The iPhone 5. Larger screen, smaller dock connector, faster, lighter, and just as easy to break. Cracked screen, broken housing, broken home buttons, busted dock connectors, even water damage. At phone repair centers, we fix it. Come see us at our convenient locations in Tampa Bay and beyond. Check our website for the location nearest you. Fixed and made unique. At phone repair centers, we can do it all, in-store, fast, and with a smile. Phone Repair Centers, your local full-service iPhone 5 repair stop. Why would you go anywhere else?